Hey guys, the millennial plant lady here. I got a couple of leaves from the plant nursery that gave it to me for free. Yay. So I just put them on a flat tray with some rice husk and mixed in a little bit of peat moss. And I kind of just, sprayed some water on it every other day, nothing too fancy, kept it somewhere where it was receiving indirect sunlight. After around 2 weeks or maybe a little bit longer, I started noticing that two of the leaves started sprouting these tiny little plantlets, and they also had these pink, cute little roots. One of the larger leaves did end up sprouting roots, but it never sprouted a plant on top. And the rest of the leaves, unfortunately, just kind of shriveled up and died. So I threw them away and I repotted these. So I took the tiny plants off of two of the leaves, and I kind of put them in a pot with just mixed with peat moss and this organic potting soil that I had. And one of the plant, I just let it be attached to that leaf just to see what would happen. And I just placed them on top of this soil, and I kept spraying it with water pretty much every single day. But the one thing that I did notice was that the tiny little succulent baby that was still attached to the leaf, it grew much longer and healthier roots, as you can see over here. Okay, so here's the tiny succulent baby that I had detached from the leaf. It definitely has roots, but they're not as healthy and long as the one that's still attached to the leaf. And here's the other one. You can see one tiny pink adorable root that's sticking out. So I'm hoping that more roots will definitely sprout.